Hi guys! Good morning! So, it's a Saturday and as usual, dito ako magsisimula sa Vanity, doing my makeup before going out of the house. So, a little chika before we go through our day. So, I will be meeting some of you today 2 to 4 p.m. at the Mont booth and sana may pumunta and may nakakita ng announcements ko. Wala naman talagang program with Mont, kaya lang I'm going there to support Mont, of course, and Ate Sheena, the owner of Mont. And today, guys, I will be seeing for the first time yung mga photos that we took during the photo shoot, vlog number 33, if you want to see yung photo shoot, yung glimpse ng photo shoot, ayan. And then, foundation for today, I'm going to use Too Faced foundation. One of my favorites as of the moment. Kaya lang guys, it's not suitable pag mainit ang panahon and you really need to be inside an air-conditioned room for you to be able to wear this or else you will oil. Ewan ko lang if you have a dry skin. Ako kasi oily sa T-zone and then dry sa cheeks. When Ate Sheena came up to me, the Vice President of Mont, na meron daw akong signing ng poster, ganyan-ganyan. So, feeling ko okay lang magbigay ng poster pero sign ko, sino namang gugusto? Pero wala lang, nakakatuwa lang kasi this is going to be the first time na gagawin ko yun. And magagawa ko yun because of you. Dahil kung wala namang nanonood dito, wala din naman ako a-attendan today, diba? Hindi na ulit ako nakabalik dun sa kinuhanan ko ng package for the brows sa SM Mega Mall yung threading. Hindi naman dahil sa masakit siya, pero wala lang akong time. Finished doing my makeup for today, guys. Hopefully, cross fingers na hindi mainit doon because this Too Faced makeup, it melts pag super duper init and very simple lang, ayan lang. Too Faced foundation, as always. NYX Stamen Frame for my brows and then Anastasia yung brow powder para maiset siya. And for my mascara, I have my Heroin Make in Steady Brown. For my lips, I'm wearing Slick Matte Me in the shade Birthday Suit. And for my cheeks, ano bang blush na suot ko today? I think it's a MAC blush in What I Fancy. Okay, so tapos na akong mag-makeup, guys. Let's go. I'm going to show you first my outfit of the day and yung mga dadaling ko na things going out of the house. So, outfit of the day, guys, very simple. I'm just wearing this vest from Topshop, this Airism top from Uniqlo, and then my favorite Topshop shorts again and again, and Louis Vuitton sneakers there. And we are back sa aking vanity so I can show you properly yung mga accessories that I'm wearing for today. My earrings are from our shop, jewelry shop. These are diamond earrings, both of different carats. And then I'm wearing this choker from Lin PF shop. And this one also from our shop, pearl na choker. Yan. We'll be bringing yung dalawang gift pack na winner since imimit na nila ako today. We have the Ever Belena one and then the Eye White one. Yung isang gift pack consists of these two and then yung isa naman, ganyan din, same. And of course, I will be bringing my tripod dahil mahirap mag-vlog with this Leica, mabigat siya. My daily bag, this is the Celine Trio bag. Naglilinis ako ng kinalat ko dito sa vanity ko. Ganito rin ba kayo pag nami-makeup? Pagkatapos sobrang kalat, I would want to share with you na nakalimutan ko palang magpa-check up for my PCOS. Lagi ako nagpapa-check up twice a year. Every 6 months, November and May yung schedule ko. Yung November ko, last year, naging December na yon dahil busy nga din. And then yung May ko ngayon, nakalimutan ko, magjo-July na kaya, tapos hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako nakakapagpa-check up. Naalala ko lang siya kasi nagkakaroon ako ng cramps or sumasakit yung puson ko. And that is usually my sign na kailangan na siyang linisin. I get my ultrasound and then nililinis nila yung uterus for my check-up. And during my monthly check-up, what I have to bring is my red calendar. I call it red calendar dahil dun ko tinitik off yung days where I get my period, I know TMI, but just sharing dun sa mga merong PCOS, it helps na minamark ninyo kung kailan kayo nagkakaroon, nag-e-end yung period ninyo, so that you know kung nade-delay kayo. Kasi usually, ako, kung hindi ako nagpa-treat ng PCOS, my monthly period would be absent. Like, meron ako ngayon, next month wala, sa susunod meron ulit, and then maybe next 2 months wala. It's just that after getting my medication, I get my period monthly. So, I'm going to show you first this women's app since it's very important to me. Nandito talaga siya sa pinaka-homepage ng phone ko. Pinaka-unang page yan. Dahil kailangan kong ma-remember to tip kung kailan ako nagkakaroon and nagsastop yung period ko. So, this is Clue. I don't know if you are going to see it properly, but I'm going to zoom you in. On my homepage, you are going to see the app Clue, and as we open it, this is the homepage. So, mine is like a 29-day cycle. The app will guide you para malaman ninyo kung ilang days yung cycle nyo. It may be 28, 27, different women, different cycle. And then, the first day of my cycle is my period, first day of period. And then, usually, I get 4 days sa aking period. Then, day 5, wala na ako. And then, this green button or like marker here. It shows you yung current day that you are in the cycle. And when you open it, pwede mo siyang enter today's data. You can see right there yung date and then yung day, and you can like mark if you get bleeding right here, light, medium, heavy, and spotting. And then you can also note, since I'm having pain, I would like to put in cramps. And then you can put in your emotions, so it will guide you sa inyong PMS, what you're going to get. I'm okay naman ngayon, happy. And then next, we also have right there yung sleep. So, kung ilang hours yung sleep ninyo, 3 to 6 hours. If you have an active sex life, so there, you can enter there. And then, lastly, we have their energy. What do I feel? I'm okay naman right now, and siguro, high right there. And then, if you are taking a pill, have you taken it or not? This is important because I take a pill sa akin, not yet. So, mamaya ko pa siya dahil 7 PM ang aking daily alarm for my pill. When you're okay, click done. And there, baka na sa cycle. So, this is where you get the cycle. If you want to see yung calendar, like for example, when I go to the OB, this is what I show her. This is the last period, and then this is the day that I'm in right now, and then yung may cloud na yan, it shows kung kailan ka magkakaroon ng PMS. Ang galing, diba? When you would expect your emotions to shift, ganyan, and then this muted red right here, yan yung ine-expect mo na cycle, or not really cycle, the days that you will get your period. Then we have analysis. So kanina may pinakita ko sa inyo emotions, pain, your energy. That will help like the app to make an algorithm para mas maintindihan ka niya and mas makakapag predict ko anong mararamdaman mo, kung kailan ka magkakaroon, or if something is wrong with you. So that is it. Instead of ticking sa paper na pwede kong makalimutan pag pupunta ako ng OB-GYN, I have it on my phone, which I don't forget when I go out of the house. And one thing, it's for free. Sa iOS, sa Android, and kung may Apple Watch ako dati, I do get notifications dun sa aking Apple Watch. Kaya lang kasi guys, yung Apple Watch, you really need to charge it like every now and then, and I'm not that kind of person to charge my gadgets every now and then. Kaya dito na lang sa phone. But it's nice because it also gives you like notification when you're going to get your period. So, hindi ka makukot red-handed. As in, literal na red-handed kasi wala kang dalang napkin or tampons. Kasi ayoko lagi nagdadala na napkin and tampons when wala naman akong i-expect na period, diba? So, I'm just correcting yung in-enter ko na information kanina for my daily record. And what's nice is the more information you enter, the more na na-understand ka ng app mo, and the more na mas accurate yung kanyang prediction kung kailan ka magkakaroon. And even kahit yung PMS, kaya niya rin sabihin kung kailan. Let's go now and punta tayo Mega Mall. Let's meet some of the viewers. Ito na ako sa booth and super haggard. Nagpapad ako from Meralco Avenue to here. Dahil hindi gumagalaw yung traffic. So, para umabot.
Pero ang gusto ko sumisin is yung sining ako.
So, parang po siyang 3.
Yes, pero same lang po sila ng ano.
Maganda dito sa price.
Benefit. Glycerin. 100% glycerin. Glycerin is one of the most moisturizing kind of soap. Hi, Miss Ana.
Naglakad kami simula Meralco Avenue. Bilang late na kami.
Exercise niya yun.
Ito bakit na namin.
Yun ang exercise niya. Hi, Ate Sheena. Ako po yung assistant ni Don Navarro ngayon.
Yes. Iniisip ko pa yung pirma ko ngayon eh. Paano ba ako may pirma?
Heart, gano'n.
Ganun. Oh, sige, heart.
Paano naging heart yan?
Heart yan. Intindihin mo to.
Pwede po video sa street.
Oh, sige, sige.
Christine Ladies. Pwede po ba kay Christine?
Christine, hello, tingin sa akin ako daw na because na yung klase ka. Pero next time, thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ay, kaya yun. Hindi ko yun. Isip ko na lang ah. Kasi may address. nagpe-prepare, di ba?
Hi po, hi sa mga to. Lagyan ka.
Yan, kay Heather pa, di ba? Si Krishna.
Pretty person, oh my god. You have to come here and smell all the soaps.
Okay, so kayo mo. Ano pinili mo naman?
Yung Chanel number 5.
Yung favorite niya, ako yung blue and then yung yellow. Pero lahat sila sa akin, nagsistick sila sa body yung scent. Pero sabi niya, mas matagal daw mag-stick sa Chanel number 5. Parang
Honestly, hindi ko pa siya na-try, pero suggest kasi ng friend ko, nag-stick daw sa body yung scent.
ayan.
I wanna try it as well.
With Myra and my shout out na
Yes, hi to my sister Annie and my boyfriend Michael Gonzo.
Hi guys! So I'm with my little visitor star. Say hi to the camera! Hi! Ang cute! Juliana? Juliana. I'm with, ayan. Hi ka. Juliana and their mommy. Hello, mommy! Ang cute niyo. Kasama niya yung mommy niya and yung sister niya, si Juliana. Ginagamitan siya ng skin analyzer ni Ate Shell from ginagamitan siya ng Monsoap and then later on, gagamitin ulit yung skin analyzer to see pag nag-improve. I wait, Ate Cha, nag-visit siya dito and magsa-selfie kami. Wait lang. Sige.
Yung next tire
So yung scent na yan,
Yung scent nito is inspired by D&G Life. One of our bestseller din. Instant moisture siya. Makikita natin later kapag yung moisture test natin. Na-absorb na yung argan oil. And pwede nyo din siyang i-touch para ma-feel nyo yung softness. Compare dun sa wala. Kaya naman ako. Bango siya ma'am. Yung scent niya kasi is naglalast 6 hours, 8 hours. Okay, kasi oil-based yung perfume na ginamit natin. Try natin siya ilan kanina po. 13.1. So, 63.3 na po.
so nag-try si Heather yung skin analyzer test nila with Ate Shell of Mon. Hi, Ate Shell! Ayan, explain mo naman sa kanila yung skin analyzer.
So, ito yung skin analyzer na ginagamit namin. Bale siya, kapag ka 40% and below yung skin test na result na nakuha namin, it means dry yung skin. Then, kapag dapat at least 40% and above para masabi na moisturizing. Si Heather, nakita namin na at first, initially, 13.1 result ng skin moisture test na ginamit natin. So, medyo dry yung skin niya. Then after, we tried Monsoap sa skin niya. Na-absorb na yung argan oil, shea butter, virgin coconut oil, and glycerin ng soap namin. Kaya naging 63% na yung skin moisture ng skin niya.
So instant talaga
Yes,
siya ng
instant moisture. So, everyday use, magiging moisturized and radiant yung skin.
So yung instant niya is like moisturize agad siya and then pag lagi mo siyang ginamit, ma-whiten niya.
Yes, malalay na niya. Siguro, initial skin moisture test sa skin ni Miss Anna.
Super dry kasi ng skin ko talaga guys. As in, grabe.
34.
Parang powdery yung scent niya. Hindi siya nakaka-immerse.
Try natin siya ng cotton.
So hindi nakakahilo yung scent niya. Powdery. Ito yung favorite ng kapatid. Kasi powdery
So
siya.
yan. Let's see kung na-absorb niya na yung
Live. Nahiya yung kabila.
So 62. From 34, naging 62.
Nakikilala niyo ba siya sa vlog ni Agan? Kasi ate, perfect ka magdamag. Una ko talagang nabasa yung name niya. Akala ko yung name niya, ang tawag sa kanya, ate perfecta. Ate Joy pa rin name niya.
Buti na masabi ko nga.
Kaya nga. So, ayan, si Heather bumili siya sa Black 153. Ako rin. Yung cone, yung ilan, i-picture lang siya. Cup, yung akin. Ito, 185 yung kay Heather, 170. Kunti lang yung difference, pero gusto daw ni Heather na matikman yung ano tawag niya, waffle cone. Ayan. Ang sarap tingnan, di ba? Grabe. Ayun yung store nila dito sa SM Mega Mall. Medyo marami bumibili. Sa dami din bumibili, no? Ang dami. Ayaw nga pumila ni Jeloy kasi ano eh. Ano?
After ko mag-order.
Oh.
Akala ko yung next.
Hi guys! So, ba't ako nag-hi na ako kanina umaga. Nandito na kami sa gasoline station and kakadrop by lang namin doon sa Kasal. As in, literal na kakadrop by namin. Dahil hindi kami umabot, nag-try ako mag-extend dun sa Mont Booth. Dumating ako around 3:50. Kasi super traffic. Kasi nga sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi gumagalaw sa Julio Vargas. So, naglakad na lang ako from Meralco to there, para lang makaabot, pawis na pawis ako. Two-faced pa man din yung suot ko. Kakasabi ko pa lang na hindi siya maganda sa suit. So, medyo nagkakarak yung dito sa side. Anyway, kakain muna kami sa Tapsi ni Vivian dahil nag-crave kami ni Heather ng kung ano man na tinitinda nila doon.
Something with suka.
Something with suka. Malamang prito yun. Tapos si Jeloy, ayan. Ayun si Heather nandun sa likod. Yan, naghihintay na siya ng pagkain.
Ikaw ilalaga.
Ano?
Ayan, si Jeloy.
Nilagang baka.
Ayun, nilagang baka daw. Tapos kami, ay lalafang. Wala na ako masabi kundi kakain kasi yun lang nasa isip ko ngayon. Kasi gutom na kami. Yun talaga yung totoo. Tapos na ba yung gas? Kain si Jeloy na nil silogo, nilagay yung kanya. Wow. Tapos kay Heather, Tapsilog, tsaka sa akin. Dito kami sa Starbucks. Kasama ko si Jalen, si Heather. Wala si Kuya doon. Namimiss na nila si Kuya doon. So, when you come home at pagtingin ko doon sa cage, wala si Dixie. Kinakabahan na ako. Tingnan niyo yung nangyari. Yung sponge ko, kinagat niya. So, nasawi yung sponge ko katulad ng Real Techniques ko na sponge. Nasaan na si Dixie? Si Lily yung nakakulong. Ba't ganun? Let's find the missing Dixie. Hello, buddy. Hi, Lay. Ba't nakakulong ka dyan? Kinulong ka ni Dixie? Lecho! Thank you dun sa mga dumaan dun sa Mont Booth. Really appreciate yung inyong effort sa pagpunta. Yung iba, nakapunta na sila sa meet and greet pero pumunta pa rin sila kanina and kanina talaga adventure. So, 3:50 PM. I'm very sorry dun sa mga pumunta ng maaga and then hindi ako naabutan. And I tried my best, kaya lang talagang sobrang traffic. May mga nag-overheat din na kotse sa Julio Vargas that time dahil super hindi gumagalaw. Thank you so much for coming. And dun sa mga bumili ng soap, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Natutuwa ako dito. Thank you Ate Sheena of Mont for these posters. And legit posters. Akala ko like maliliit lang na poster, pero ayan siya. So, the pictures in this posters were taken by Sir Mario Pasamonte. Thank you po kasi tinulungan nila ako kasi hindi ako marunong mag-post. And then, of course, my makeup artist, hair and makeup artist, Sandy Proud. She's also a beauty vlogger, so go watch her channel, subscribe to her. So, ayan. This is a Perky. This is a Delicate Scent. Then, lastly, we have Timeless right here, yung yellow. So, let's open yung mga packages that I received today. These are like 3 small packages. The first package, as expected, the Asian Secrets goodies. And I was so happy na kinontak nila ako to do a review for them because this is something that I used way back in, I think, college. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko na scrub before. And matagal ko na siya hindi nagagamit, but I'm going to use it again and do another review if ever nag-change sila ng formulation. Next, we have something from an online shop. Ito yung nag-contact sa akin. Yung damit siya. Let's see kung ano pa. From Ate Tony, and then she left a note. So, she is selling this sa kanyang online store, sweater. So, tingnan natin kung kailan ko siya masusuot. So, ayan. Nagtiis tayo kanina sa walang ilaw, but here are the shades. Lip Flush Lippies, and here are 8 shades. Makikita nyo sa ilalim yung shades that are available. And I'm going to do a giveaway for this. I have in here yung lippies na binili ko kanina sa bazaar from Chedelyn's Cosmetics. And this is the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Creme Brulee. Ayan, this is what I'm wearing right now and that's 280 sa kanilang shop. And of course, yung nakita namin ni Ate Sheena, this is a Kiss Proof long-lasting liquid lip cream. And ang cute nito kasi halos kamukha siya nung aking sleek na matte me. So this is in the shade 205 and 100 pesos lang siya. I don't know kung saan siya galing. I think this is really made in China. So here's a closer look. This one on top is the Jordana one and this is the Kissproof one. Thank you so much guys for spending this day with me. Maraming salamat again for watching my vlog and please expect more affordable makeup reviews coming soon. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!